When it comes to upgrading your home, installing new windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make. Windows provide natural light, insulation, and curb appeal, but they can also be a significant investment. If you're in Houston and looking for affordable windows without compromising on quality, there are a few key strategies you can follow to get the best deal for your money. Here's how to find high-quality, affordable windows in Houston for your home. Do your research. Understand the types of windows available. The first step to finding affordable windows is knowing what options are available. In Houston, the most common window types include single-hung, double-hung, sliding, casement, and picture windows. Each has its own benefits, and understanding these can help you make a more informed decision based on your needs and budget. Single-hung and double-hung windows. These are traditional options and typically more affordable. They are simple to operate and energy efficient, making them a great choice for most homes. Casement windows. These open outward with a crank and provide excellent ventilation. While slightly more expensive than single-hung windows, they offer better energy efficiency due to their tight seal when closed. Sliding windows. These are great for larger openings, like wide spaces or patios. They can be more affordable, especially when compared to more complex window types like bay windows. The material you choose for your windows also impacts cost. Vinyl windows are often the most affordable, while wood and fiberglass windows tend to be more expensive. Consider the long-term savings when evaluating the energy efficiency of different materials. Get multiple quotes from local window providers to ensure you're getting the best price on quality windows in Houston. It's essential to get quotes from at least 3 to 5 different window providers. Many companies offer free estimates, and by comparing prices, you'll get a better sense of the typical cost for your chosen window style and material. While price is a major factor, don't forget to inquire about the quality of the materials, the warranty, and the energy efficiency ratings of the windows. Some companies may offer lower upfront costs but could charge more for installation or maintenance in the long run. Always ask about the total cost, including installation fees, so you can make an apples-to-apples comparison. Look for discounts, promotions, and manufacturer rebates. Many window suppliers offer seasonal promotions or manufacturer rebates that can help lower the overall cost. You may also be able to find discounts by shopping at the right time of year. For example, many window companies run sales during the off-season, fall or winter, when demand tends to be lower. Another strategy is to explore financing options. Some window companies offer no-interest financing plans, allowing you to pay over time without extra charges. This can make a higher quality window more affordable upfront. Consider energy-efficient windows for long-term saving. While energy-efficient windows may have a higher initial cost, they can save you money in the long run. Houston's hot summers can lead to high cooling bills, but energy-efficient windows help keep the heat out and maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Look for windows that have a good energy performance rating, such as those with the Energy Star label. Additionally, consider windows with low emissivity, low E coatings, which reflect infrared light and UV rays while allowing natural light to pass through. These windows can further improve energy efficiency and help you reduce your energy consumption. Check reviews and ask for references. Before making a decision, it's important to ensure that you're working with a reputable company. Check online reviews on websites like Google or Yelp, and ask for references from past customers. Satisfied customers often share their experiences, which can give you valuable insight into the quality of the windows and the installation process. Ask the provider about their experience and whether they are licensed and insured. A reputable company will be transparent about their services and have a strong track record of customer satisfaction. DIY installation or professional help? If you're handy and want to save on labor costs, you might consider installing the windows yourself. However, improper installation can affect the performance of your windows, leading to energy loss and potentially costly repairs down the line. If you choose to go the DIY route, make sure you're confident in your skills, or consider hiring a professional installer for a job done right. Final thought. Finding affordable windows in Houston doesn't have to mean compromising on quality. By doing your research, shopping around for quotes, looking for discounts, and considering energy-efficient options, you can find windows that fit both your budget and your home's needs. Take your time, and don't hesitate to ask questions. After all, new windows are an investment that will benefit you and your home for years to come.